Today's video is going to be extremely useful and important for everyone, especially for those who feel they are close to fluency but not quite there yet. If you are wondering what the missing piece is, this is exactly what we are going to talk about today. Working on this one aspect can contribute to a huge part of your fluency, and that's pronunciation. Many learners ignore the pronunciation, but it is actually one of the most powerful tools for improving your language. It doesn't matter if you are a beginner or advanced, and it doesn't matter which accent you want to learn, the method remains the same. The common question is that how can pronunciation improve the fluency if the grammar and vocabulary are still weak? The answer is simple. When you work on pronunciation, you are also improving your listening, your speaking, and your understanding at the same time. Let's go through some simple and effective ways to improve your pronunciation very sharply. First, listen and imitate, watch movies, shows, or listen to podcasts. Pause and repeat what you hear. Focus on rhythm, stress, and annotations. Second, use pronunciation apps. These apps act like personal tutor and give you instant feedback to help you improve. Third, use online videos and tutorials. There are many free resources available that can guide you step by step. So, now the fourth step is record your speaking. It may feel uncomfortable at first, but it is very effective. Listen to your own recordings and compare them with the native speakers. And the fifth part is that learn phonetic sounds. Understanding how sounds are produced helps you pronounce different and difficult words correct. The sixth thing is that practice with the tongue twisters. They are fun and help improve difficult sounds. 7. Read out loud. This helps you get comfortable with speaking and improves your flow easily and fluent. 8. Sing along to the songs. This improves rhythm and makes learning more enjoyable. 9th, practice in front of a mirror. This helps you check your mouth movements. And 10th is start slowly. Speak slowly at the first, then gradually increase your speed. Another very powerful technique is shadowing. Listen to speakers and repeat at the same time. This is called shadowing. This helps you match pronunciation, rhythm, and the tone of that language. You should also focus on your weak sounds. Identify difficult sounds and practice them more. If possible, join online communities or language exchange groups. Getting feedback from others can help a lot. Now, let's understand why pronunciation is more important for the fluency. First, it improves your listening skills. When you focus on pronunciation, your ears become better at understanding the real English. Second, it increases your confidence. When you speak clearly, you feel more confident and speak more naturally. Third, it improves the communication. Yes, it improves the communication. People understand you better and focus on your message instead of your mistakes. Now, the fourth point is that it helps you understand the nonsense like tone, stress, and emotions in the conversation. Also, when you practice pronunciation, You are naturally exposed to a new vocabulary and real life language. Repetition is also a very important thing. It is better to master one sentence completely to practice many sentences without understanding them. So, this method works because it is natural. It is the same way children learn a language. A baby learns a language. They listen, imitate, and repeat before learning the grammar rules. Grammar is still important, but it becomes much easier after you develop strong listening and speaking skills. The key message is simple. What? Be consistent, be patient, and trust the process. Progress may be slow at first, but with regular practice, you will improve and learn how to speak English fluently. Keep practicing, stay focused, and over the time, you will notice a big difference in your fluency. The key message is simple: be consistent, be patient, and trust the process. Progress may be slow at the first, but with regular practice, you will improve. Keep practicing, stay focused, and over the time, you will notice a big difference in your fluency. That's all for today's video. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.